let you know we're out here. So thanks again for tuning in, and just catch us on the journey when we're actually building our shed. I'm excited about it. It's a big project for him and for me. So stay tuned with us, guys. All right.
What we doing? Building a storage shed for my wife's junk that is in the garage. She loaded that garage with too much junk, and I gotta build a shed just for her stuff. Absolutely nothing in that garage is mine, but I gotta build a storage shed just for her.
Y'all know that's not true, right? Yeah, it's okay. Listen, as soon as he moves all that stuff out and put it here, you know what your girl gonna do, right? I'm going to build a gym. Yes, I'm building a gym in my own garage. So in our garage, actually, you know, so I can keep, you know, looking as good as I want to be. So yes, guys, so I'm excited about this project. You know, I'm excited to see where the journey takes us with this one. Yes. He got it.
Cleanouts now. Some people call it inspection or masonry. We call it cleanouts. Same thing.
I call it dust.
There's no dust.
More something to do, yes. I'm gonna get a drink. How about that? Get my nice little pumpkin punch. Ow. Yeah.
Finally, she's doing something. When you do this, you don't need to go to no gym.
Is that so?
Ooh.
I still want my own gym. I still want my own gym.
How it feels to actually do something. We are bigger than ours.
Hey, I'm working smarter, not harder, okay?
4.
That's it. That's it.
The wheelbarrow is way bigger than ours. She's a little.
This is my workout for the day. I'm just letting you know. That's all I'm doing. Nothing else.
Oh boy. Watch your mud. Welcome to Masonry 101.
See?
What's that?
The purpose of the steel.
Is for a pour cell. You're gonna pour concrete down that cell to strengthen the building. Get buck already.
You're doing great though, boo.
Not too early.
No. Next month before daylight savings.